Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to create a table in SQL or MySQL server. Hey, if you are new into my channel, make sure you have pressed the subscribe button below. And if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button. If you have any questions or any suggestion, you can write down in the comment section. Let's begin. First we will see the syntax of the create table statement. Okay, here you can see in the screen that create table, I have write down create table and table name. You have to put down the table name after writing these two words, create and table. Okay, then you can specify the column name and data type. Okay, so I have write down 3 columns here, but you can add multiple of columns as per your requirement. Okay, I will demonstrate about the syntax of create table statement. This column name parameters specify the names of the columns of the specified table. Okay, and the data type parameter specifies the type of data that column can hold, like as the Varchar, integer, date, etc. So if you want to know more about data types, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, because I will be uploading a video related to data types available in SQL or MySQL very soon. So now we will see the example. So I will create a table person, named person, and then this table contains 5 columns. One is person, then the data type would be integer because it will contain the numeric value only. Okay, then first name, data type would be Varchar, and the length of this fields is 255 characters. Okay, now we will write down last name, and the data type would be remain same because it will contain text only. Okay, so we will create person 1 because here you can see person table is already present, and now I will write down address. Then I will write down city. City data type would be Varchar because it also contains the character. Just test the query. You can see a person 1 table has been created here. So that's it for this video.